Hello. Today we have something different going on. We're going to be doing the words in alphabetical order.
Where's the class?
They didn't show up today. So it's
But
you
why
still have the homework. You still do it. Number 1 is breakfast. I hope you had an amazing breakfast.
I didn't.
Sometimes I eat egos. Sometimes I eat oatmeal. Sometimes you could have eggs. You can have lots of things for breakfast. Some people eat ice cream for breakfast. Pizza leftover, you know. I know this is tricky. Number 2 is going to be Easter. Easter is coming up. The Easter bunnies, all the bunnies show up outside. It's like crazy. Matt asks you, like, where'd that bunny come from? Did you just burp in my class? We don't burp here.
Yeah,
we don't do it.
We fart a lot, though.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, maybe sometime. Maybe
we poop a lot.
Maybe. Number 3 is greedy.
You poop a
Sometimes
lot.
you get a little greedy, I think. I see you taking quarters from your home. Number 4 is head. You are head of the class. That is why you are here. I'm very proud of you.
Yeah, man. You stole my
Are you ready for number 5, sir?
Am I?
You tell me, are you? Actually, number 5 is ready. Isn't that funny? It really is. It's ready. Craziness. Number 5 is, did you? Number 6 is season. You know, my favorite season is spring. I love spring.
Who cares?
Okay, fine. Number 7 is sleeping. You know, Sleeping Beauty. She wasn't beautiful till she slept, I heard. I don't know if it's true. Number 8 is sleeveless. What are people doing wearing sleeveless shirts? It might be getting a little bit warmer, but just a little bit. It's not like, oh my goodness, it's so hot, I can wear sleeveless. Not yet. Number 9 is treated. I treated you to gelato for your birthday. Yes, it's like I paid for. It's called treated. Or trick-or-treated. They were trick-or-treating, whatever. Number 10, untreated. What does that even mean? I'm going to untreat you. I don't even know my word. Untreated. Untreated. I don't know it. You know what? That's all. Number 10. You only have 10. Bravo.
Yes.